This is the hinge between the top hood and the chaff basket on the roaster. You don't totally need the chaff basket, so if you drop it and it falls off, you might want to consider just not using it if you roast outside. But what you'll notice here is that one side of this, ignore that blue tape, that was kind of a joke, and I pried that slightly, has a plastic nub, and the other actually has a hole. And in the one side, you may not know if this has fallen apart on you, is a small metal ferrule in a spring. So what you need to do is, if you lose your chaff basket, you need to locate these two things, push them in and insert it back in there, and you can put it back on. But there's a good chance that your spring went somewhere, so hopefully you can find that. And if not, maybe you'll have to find an alternate way. I've actually put a screw, drilled this out and put a screw through the side and repaired this myself very easily, just with a drill bit and any old, like threaded screw that fits into there, and been able to hold my chaff basket on that way. So maybe you want to consider that too.